Guys, today I'm doing a Quakers Hill night vlog, so enjoy. Bound service now arriving into platform 1, then on to North Sydney. Set A37. This train came from Schofields. And it's also express. 37 now leaving platform 1, Central Service stopping Marayong, Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney. Not very busy. Well, it only came from Schofield, so it's not a surprise. We have a Waratah arriving platform 2 Richmond service, stopping Schofields, Riverstone, then all to Richmond, set A50. A50 is now departing for a Richmond service, stopping Schofields, Riverstone, Vineyard, Mulgrave, Windsor, Clarendon, East Richmond and Richmond. Don't know why I always get them locked up. Waratah approaching Schofields only. This train came from North Sydney. Set A10. Very fogged up. This train from North Sydney would have stopped at Milsons Point, followed by Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Strathfield. Actually, I'll say it after this train opens its doors. It is now leaving platform number 2. I made a mistake, I said it was A10, but it's A20. But yeah, from North Sydney it would have stopped at Milsons Point, Wynyard, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Burwood, Strathfield, Granville. Then, after Granville, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, Marayong, Quakers Hill, which is here. And then it will stop Schofields at its final destination. And I'll just walk over here because the Central service is now arriving. Then on to Hornsby via Macquarie University. And no one's getting on it.
Platform 2 goes to Richmond. First stop Schofields and then all
Set is A29.
Richmond.
29 is now leaving for a Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Yes, the announcement is still going. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Goodbye.